Welcome back. We are on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the length of a line joining 2 points. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the coordinates of the midpoint of a line joining 2 points. Let's consider this diagram once again. Point A and point B are 2 points that falls on this straight line. Point A has the coordinates x1, y1, and point B has the coordinates x2, y2. The midpoint of the line joining point A to point B is the middle of the line AB. The midpoint of the line joining point A to point B is the middle of the line AB. So let's assume that C is at the middle of the line AB. It means that C is the midpoint of the line AB. We are going to learn how to find the coordinates of the point C. So C is at the middle of the line AB, or C is the midpoint of the line AB. How do we find the coordinate of C? If C is the midpoint of the line AB, then the coordinates of C is given by half of x1 plus x2 as the x-coordinate, then half of y1 plus y2 as the y-coordinates. So to find the coordinates of C, the formula is half of x1 plus x2 as the x-coordinate and half of y1 plus y2 as the y-coordinates. Let's apply this to solve a question. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line MN. If the coordinates of the point M and N are 2, 4, and 6, 12 respectively. So we are going to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining point M to point N, or the line MN. The coordinates of point M is 2, 4, and the coordinates of point N is 6, 12. As we have already seen, the coordinates of the midpoint is equal to half of x1 plus x2 as the x-coordinates and half of y1 plus y2 as the y-coordinates. M is the first point, so the x-coordinate of M will be x1 and the y-coordinate of M will be y1. N is the second point, so the x-coordinate of N will be x2 and the y-coordinate of N will be y2. So we have x1 as 2, y1 as 4, x2 as 6, and y2 as 12. All we need to do now is to substitute this information into the formula. It means that the coordinates of the midpoint of the line MN is equal to half into bracket x1 plus x2. x1 is 2, x2 is 6. So half into brackets 2 plus 6 as the x-coordinate. Then half into brackets y1 plus y2. y1 is 4 and y2 is 12. So we have half into bracket 4 plus 12 as the y-coordinates. And this will give us half times 8, since 2 plus 6 is 8 as the x-coordinate. Then half times 16, since 4 plus 12 is 16. Half times 8 is 4 and half times 16 is 8. So it means that the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining point M to point N is 4, 8. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the coordinates of the midpoints of a straight line. Bye bye.